Good morning, greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Adrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Okay, so my hair is in a bun because it is a hot mess this morning. I don't know what happened to it while I was sleeping, but I wanted to show you guys that it was raining. Look at it, it's wet out there. It's probably like drizzling, raining right now. Actually, you can see the sprinkles on the pool, and it is super overcast right now. Good morning, Zachary Binks.
Good morning.
What's up?
Are you filming?
Look at it's raining.
Are you filming?
Yeah, look, it's raining.
Are you filming?
Yeah, but did you see that it's raining?
Yeah.
Can you believe it? It's crazy.
Good morning, YouTube.
Good morning. Decided to go outside to take out the cushions on this. But yeah, it's legit raining right now. It's raining. Oh my gosh, where am I? So I'm starting off the morning by just emptying out. The dishwasher already finished the bottom. Just got this to go. So plans for today, I kind of just want to clean up around the house a little bit more. I've just been slowly kind of like taking stuff out of rooms, replacing things. Let me know what you guys think about my coffee table. I like it. Like, I know for some it's not everyone's cup of tea, but it's a little bit, I don't know, more maximalist, but I'm trying to remove things from around it. So I like decluttered the buffet. I just have the flowers and then my propagating monsteras right there. I took down a lot of the stuff that was back there. Those are just my propagating flowers as well. I really want to figure something else out for under the TV right there. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to move those plants though. I think I might move those plants and put them somewhere else. But I'm going to figure that all out right now after I'm done with the kitchen. But, oh, and I also want to change this. I've been wanting to change out this whole table thing. I don't exactly know what I'm going to do with it, but I want to do something a little bit different, I think. But I'm still flabbergasted that it's raining outside. That is crazy. Oh my gosh, there's also a mouse there on the pool thing. Okay, gotta go save it. Okay, so right now I'm going to make some avocado toast sandwiches. So mom just wants a regular avocado toast. Oh, this is my dirty napkin, but I'm gonna reuse that to heat up some pizza for the kids later. But mom wants me to use this egg, the hard-boiled one, and I wanted to show you guys this really cool egg chopper thing. We've had this since we lived in New York, and it's so cool and satisfying. Bam! Your eggs are cut up. So cool. It's like amazing. John, look at this. It's magic. Look at that. So cool. Look at how delicious that looks. Yum. You guys, look at that. It looks so good. Avocado, cheese, turkey, and egg. Woo! John, try it. Hurry before my other sandwich burns. It's still cooking.
It'll take forever.
John, hurry up. Taste it. Wow, that's a big boy. I know it. You love it. Look at the sandwich that I made, Mom. Ooh, it looks so delicious. Alright, you guys, here's my sandwich. Super excited to eat it. So the sun has come out momentarily. It's still very cloudy, but the sun is peeking out, and it's actually, oh, sorry. I'm like choking on myself. It's actually pretty warm in the sunlight, but I wanted to show you guys the roses because some of them are looking really, really pretty. Look at that one right there. Gorgeous. I love these. These are some of my favorite. They are so, look at that. Stunning. I think they have something too on the leaves that like need to cut them off or something. I don't know. Like it's, can you guys tell me what this is? Like what do I need to do to fix this? Should I just cut them off so they can like regrow? Tell me what to do because I need to save my roses. I think these kind of have them too. Do you see that? Okay, comment down below because I know a lot of you guys know a lot about plants. I don't know that much about like plants that are getting sick, so let me know. But these, look at these. These are super pretty as well. The colors are so vibrant. They literally look like neon. And Mom's white flowers, I don't know what they are, but they're looking really pretty too. There's a spider over there. Oh, the hydrangeas. Look at this. Oh, looking gorgeous. I'm so happy. I don't know why this is the only one that has like flowers coming out right now. I feel like this will be coming up shortly. It's just, this one's just growing super quick. Oh, look, there's one right there. That one had like just started growing really, really quickly. And actually they all did, except for that one over there, which I think it might be getting too much sun, or I have no clue what's happening with that one. This one, it got a little burnt, I think, from the sun, but it has been making a comeback. These two are doing really, really well, but this one specifically is looking rather beautiful, and I really want to cut some of these flowers off and put them somewhere because they are so pretty. Okay, so back here, this plant is doing well. It's making a comeback as well. I honestly thought it was going to maybe not make it, but I'm glad to say that it's looking really good. Our tomatoes, these are so cool too because these are just like these are from our tomatoes from last year, and they just started growing like randomly. Oh, I really want to like, okay, hold on. Okay guys, look, I just like changed this up. I used to have the 3 planters here, but I wanted to change it, and I put the lamp over here. This was from the living room. Moved it over here, have a little stack of books, and I finally brought out my little Louis Vuitton car. It's so cute. I just love how everything kind of goes. Hello to the toilet over there in the corner. It's so random. You can see it in the frame. But yeah, so I really, really, really love this. And over here, ignore all my stuff right here because I'm trying to like organize everything and move things and put things away. But I wanted to put, I've always wanted to do this and do two of these guys on either side of this the sliding door right here. And I don't like the stands because these are like outdoor stands, and they've been outdoors, and they're like I don't know, they started like rusting, or I don't know, something's been happening to the metal. I probably need to spray paint them or something. But I just wanted to see how they would look with, I think they look pretty good. I like the way they look right there. So I think they're pretty cool. I want something like a column or something like this, like 2 matching ones. Okay, so then over here in the living room, I made some more changes, but I'm not done because now it's all bare over there, where that was where the lamp was from. But look at this. So right here, the coffee table, again, I need to change that, take that stuff out, but I put my new hand right there with a air plant. Looks so pretty. Then back here, I want to like change it up. I really want to move the plant, I think. And I don't know, I just, oh, and the horse is definitely moving as well. But I'm loving how everything looks right now. It's so fun. I do want to change out the pillows though, for sure, but that will be later on. Okay, last change for the night, I think, before I call it quits, is I put this mirror over here. It's a West Elm mirror that I actually thrifted from the Goodwill a while back, and I was actually using it as a countertop for that table over there, which I'm gonna change that. I was just seeing how the flowers looked on there. They're too small for what I was thinking of doing with it, but I kind of like it over here. It kind of makes the space a little bit more modern looking, especially with the hand that's right there. I feel like that's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna move the stuff on the table and then call it a day, I think. Hey guys, this is the next day. I have some Mario Badescu drying lotion on my face. The kids are outside and they are waiting to eat because Mom's making pancakes! Woo! Making pancakes there. We got some bacon going on in the oven. And over here, I am kind of like figuring out some decorating stuff. But look how cute this actually looks right here. And what's perfect is that I can rotate it really easily so that whatever I want can get like more sun or less sun. So this is actually like the most perfect thing I've ever placed this thing, I think. I think it's gonna stay here for right now. I really like it. Alright you guys, now it's time to eat. We have our bacon. We have our pancakes. Alright you guys, I unfortunately did not film too much at all today. Well, I filmed like a whole separate video for when I was making what is it called? Sushi bake. And it was so delicious. My cousin Alexa, if you guys remember her, actually showed me this video for how to make it. And I decided that I wanted to try it. I didn't have all the ingredients though, so I kind of like made it my own. And now that I made it, it was so delicious. But I think I want to add like some other things to it as well and do like a couple things differently. But even the way that I made it right now, it was so delicious. So that video is gonna go up in case anyone wants to try it. And also, I have a little friend today. Look at that pimple. It's looking even crazier. I noticed him last night. I put Mario Badescu drying lotion on him and he is still going strong. This is like when I wear like face masks when I go out, it always hits me right here on my nose and it always gets really irritated right there, and it's just irritated itself into a pimple. So I did like a couple, I did a mask, I did a little microdermabrasion, I did like a bunch of like things, so hopefully it'll go down. I'm gonna put some more drying lotion on in a little bit as well. I don't want to have any on right now when I end of the video, but I do have my hair in a little ponytail. I'm looking crazy, but yeah. So I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with us today. I know, again, it was just like a very short little part of today, but I figured like the video is already really long anyway because I'm putting a bunch of days together. But what else was I going to say? I think that's it for today's video. Oh my gosh, my brain, I cannot talk anymore. I can't think. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys so much. Hope you guys had fun today. And see you guys all later. Right, bye!